In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build SaaS app with Base44, fastest method. To get started, head over to Base44 in your browser. Once the platform loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. If this is your first time using it, don't worry. The process is very streamlined and the platform is designed to help you move from idea to working SaaS app as quickly as possible. When you're inside Base44, look over to the left-hand side and click on Home. This is the main workspace where you can begin setting up your project. Starting from the Home section helps keep everything organized and gives you access to the core app building interface right away. Next, focus on the prompt box. This is one of the most important parts of the workflow because it's where you'll communicate your app idea to Base44. Think of this prompt area as the place where you describe what you want to build, how it should work, and what kind of experience users should have. The clearer your description is, the better the generated result will usually be. Before generating the app, you also have the option to connect integrations to enhance your SaaS. Base44 supports built-in or external tools such as Google Workspace, Slack, Stripe, and Salesforce. These integrations are useful if your application needs things like payments, team communication, CRM functionality, or productivity features. It's a good idea to think ahead about which services your SaaS will rely on, so your setup is more complete from the start. To add one of these, click on the plus button. This opens the area where you can expand your app's capabilities. From there, click on Connectors. This section contains the available connection options you can use with your project. Now select a connector that matches the needs of your SaaS app. Choose the one that fits your use case best, whether that's handling billing, syncing with a workspace tool, or connecting to another service your app depends on. After selecting a connector, you'll return to continue building with that integration in place. At this point, go back to the prompt box and describe your SaaS using the prompt interface. Be specific about the type of app you want, the main features, the user flow, and any important functionality you expect. Base44 will then automatically generate the design and backend architecture for your app. This is what makes the process so fast. You're not manually building every piece from scratch. Instead, you're guiding the platform with a clear description and letting it create the foundation for you. Once that's done, you'll have the basic structure of your SaaS app ready to review and refine.